video, we are going to go ahead and get a category set up and then add our first product to it. So I'm going to do a quick recap on part of our last video. If you recall, the Magento category configuration directly lines up with the front page main navigation. So here we see our front page with what's new, women, men, gear, training, and sale. And if we hop into Magento, you're actually going to see the same thing under products and categories. So we've got all of our main categories, and we're going to go ahead and click on root category and then add subcategory. So we're going to name our category tech. I said is active to yes, and then we're going to make our URL key tech, and this will just be the URL off of our base URL to hit the category. So we're not really going to add anything under description or page title or any of this fun stuff. We're going to go over to display setting, and we're going to start out with products only. So products only is just going to give you a direct listing of products under that category. You can get into some more fancy stuff, which we'll cover a little bit later, but for now we're just going to do products. We're not going to do anything under custom design because nothing's necessary so far, and we're not going to add any products yet. We're just going to create the category and set it to active. I'll go ahead and save. Cache is not enabled, so we should see the category immediately on the top level, right under sale. Alright, and then as you can see, we now have our tech category. So I'm going to go ahead and we're going to create our first product. So to create a product, go under products and catalog. And then we're just going to add product. So we're going to make our first product. Let's do the Microsoft Surface. So SKU. I recommend the SKU to be something without spaces. It should be something that you can remember or that at least makes sense for your product and identifies it uniquely among other products. So we're going to call this MSFT Surface, and we're just going to call it Book 1. So we're going to set the price at $14.99. We're going to call it taxable. So now we can do images and videos. So I'm just going to go out to Google Images, and we're going to search soft surface book, and I think this image looks nice, so we are going to open image in new tab to get the full version, and then just right click and save image as. We'll go ahead and leave it like that. So I would just like to point out that we are only downloading a, I'm sure, copyrighted image because we are doing a demo. I'm in no way advertising a Microsoft Surface. So we're just going to drag our image into place straight from here. Very, very simple. We're going to set a quantity of 10 because we absolutely have a large stock of surfaces sitting around. And we're going to set weight at about 2 pounds. So right here, we can either set the category by clicking and then navigating down, or, and they made this a lot more intuitive than it used to be, you can just start typing tech, default category tech. So we are going to then hop into our WYSIWYG editor, and we're going to call this thing Awesome Surface Book, and submit. And then we're going to go ahead. It's already set to product online. We are going to save. There's no downloadable information because it's not a downloadable product. There's not really any configuration here in addition, at least nothing that we're going to add right now. I'm going to go ahead and remove that 1 just for now. We're going to save our product. and then we're going to hop over to our home page. So we're going to go to Tech, and you will immediately see under Tech our brand new Microsoft Surface for sale. It's in stock. You can see the SKU. We can add this to cart, and it's got the details of awesome Surface Book, which is really all you have to say about it. So I'm going to wrap up this video for now. In our next video, we're going to go into a little bit about how you can configure some options for this product. We're going to add configuration to allow you to choose the amount of RAM you want with your Surface Book, or the number of cores, type of processor, some of that information. And then we're going to get into some more advanced category information. So, goodbye for now, and I shall see you in the next video.